Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a salt and pepper grinder set. And you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand. So if you turn it over to this side, they do probably got the specs and features on here. And if you guys turn to the back, they probably got some more information as well in terms of how to refill it and etc. So when you guys do use the product, it does give you guys the option to change from fine to coarse, depending on how big or how small you guys want the pepper to be. And I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So you see how the product is all well packaged and everything. Let's open it up. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So they probably got two of these grinders, and right here they probably got like a funnel cup. So right below the funnel option, they do give you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and how to clean it. If you guys don't use it often, then you don't have to do anything on here. Let's open this up. Alright, so here is the funnel option that's provided for you guys, so that way you can add the pepper in really easily. If you see it is a collapsible option, so that way you can push it in and out really easily as well. So just push it out all the way. Here is basically what the product looks like. So you basically want to just put this on top, so that way you can pour the pepper inside. And right here they do give you guys a little hole for you guys to hang somewhere to keep it all organized as well. So really cool how they provide you guys that accessory. But right here we do have the actual product. So like I mentioned, they do provide you guys two of them, one for salt and one for pepper if you guys want to. Or use both of them for pepper as well. Alright, so once you guys take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. So the bottom part is glass, and everything else should be stainless steel. So you see the top part right here, they do have a lid. If you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So right there is a grinder option. So basically the inside right here is where you guys want to turn it if you guys want to make it coarse or fine. Like I mentioned, if you guys turn toward the right, that will make it fine. But if you turn the other way, that will make it coarse. And basically the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. You guys want to turn it upside down and just hold this part right here and turn the top part. And that is basically how you guys use the grinder option. When you guys need to refill it, it's actually very easy as well. You basically want to twist this part right here. And that is basically what the inside looks like. So if you guys want to put in the pepper manually in here, you can definitely do it on here. Or like I mentioned, if you guys want to use the accessory, you can definitely put it on top like this. So that way it's much easier as well. But that is basically everything that's included for the product. Now I'm just going to add some pepper inside and test it out to show you guys how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let me show you guys how it works. So what you're going to do is open it up. You basically want to fill the pepper inside. So if you guys want to use this accessory to fill it up, you definitely can, just like that. So I do have some pepper right here. If you guys pour it in, it goes in so easy compared to without it. So definitely using the funnel option is actually really helpful for you guys to refill it really easily. So we'll just use that much for now for the test. Let's close it back up. And you guys want to open up the lid. You guys want just the top part right here if you guys want to be fine or coarse. So we'll try out the fine option first. Alright, so that's fine. If you guys twist it, that is what the fine part looks like right here. If you guys want to use the coarse option, you basically want to unscrew this part right here to the left. Go as far as you can, but don't want to take it out. If you guys try again, you definitely see the coarse option right here is much more thicker. And once you guys are done, you can close back the lid. And that is basically how you guys use it. You can see very easy and very simple. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product, and definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys open the lid and just pour your pepper inside, whether or not you guys use the funnel option, that is up to you guys. But I do think that if you guys use the funnel option, it'll be much easier. But you can see from the actual test, the product definitely does work. Whether if you guys want to use a fine option or coarse option, that is up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you gotta try and look for a high quality grinder that's used for like pepper, salt, or anything else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.